Hello, welcome to Meow Kitchen. Today we're going to make chicken ghee roast.
Chicken ghee roast is a Mangalorean delicacy, and for that I'm taking about 2 pounds or 1 kilo of chicken.
Then we're going to take half teaspoon of turmeric powder,
half cup of yogurt,
and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice,
salt to taste, and we are going to marinate the chicken pieces with all the ingredients that we added. You can always marinate it overnight and keep it, which gives a lot of flavor. If you don't have time, at least for 2 hours keep it marinated and let it absorb. And now the ingredients for the masala:
or 8 to 10 dry red chilies,
1 tablespoon tamarind,
1 teaspoon
cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds,
then 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds,
8 to 10 black peppercorns, 4 to 5 whole clove,
and
5 to 6 garlic pods crushed. The other ingredients are
jaggery and ghee and curry leaf.
Now we are going to dry roast the ingredients for the masala. So add all the ingredients that we showed except garlic and the tamarind paste. We are going to dry roast it on a low flame until it loses its raw smell. So once we dry roast them, we are going to keep it aside until it cools down completely.
Now once it cools down, we're going to make it into a smooth paste.
And always remember to add garlic and tamarind paste when we are going to grind them. Add sufficient water to grind the mix. Our masala paste is ready, and
in another pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee.
Ghee is the most important ingredient because it adds flavor, so I believe that substituting it with oil is not a good idea. So now we are going to saute the chicken and let it cook. So place a lid and let it cook on medium flame.
And always check in between,
because we don't want the chicken to be burnt and we want to check the consistency. And when the chicken is almost half done,
add your masala paste
and mix it really well. So now it's time to add the curry leaves and
1/4 of jaggery powder.
This chicken ghee roast is sweet, tangy, and it has the hot heat from the chilies. So it's an ultimate dish, and you can add more salt, but
always check before you add more salt because there is salt in the chicken.
That's true. And I want this to be a semi-gravy or semi-gravy dish, so may wait until the gravy is absorbed and it becomes more thick, and our chicken ghee roast is almost ready, and you can enjoy it with rice or appam or neer dosa. It's your choice how you would like to have your chicken.
And if you want, you can drizzle 1 tablespoon of ghee. But if you don't want to use it, please avoid it.
So our chicken ghee roast is ready and we are going to enjoy this lip smacking dish.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, Meow Kitchen.